This is a train tracking and travel production. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. While waiting for BNSF's Crew 8 to leave Kent Yard on a cold January day, Amtrak's Coast Starlight train had just departed Seattle and is speeding towards its next stop in Tacoma. You may notice how the surrounding trees are coated white due to freezing fog in the morning. We're at the 212th Street Railroad crossing on the BNSF Seattle subdivision as Crew 8 is now reversing towards the crossing with the caboose in the lead. The train is returning north after dropping a tank car at an industry. It will head down a branch line after clearing the crossing. Crew 8 is now rounding the curve at the beginning of the branch. The track here was laid between the 1960s and the 1980s to serve a few industries near State Route 167. The crew will be swapping out a boxcar and picking up a covered hopper. After dropping off and picking up cars, the crew then leaves to make its way back to Kent Yard. The locomotives are on the other side of the train now, as it had to run around the cars it dropped off at the spur.
Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.